Hi guys! So meron nga anong bagong game si Interlink Labs sa app nila which is Linktoon. Kaya naman itatry natin kung gaano ito kaganda. Or tayo sa app. And then guys, kung wala pa kayong Interlink app, so pwede kayong mag-download. I will include the link under the description box para makapag-create kayo ng account. Madali lang ito guys. At aside from playing games, you can also mine free ITLG tokens. So punta tayo sa store. At hanapin natin si Linktoon. Ayan guys, yung pinakauna. And open it. Kailangan lang natin mag-sign in dito. Sign in and sign in again. Ibang games kasi marami naman dito guys. So hindi ko pa natatry yung 2048 kasi hindi ko pa natatry yung games na to. So let's click on sign in again, and start. Okay, so welcome to 2048 made with Interlink Labs. Okay. So dapat pala mapupuno siya.